FLIR Cx5 Hazardous Location Thermal Camera Review. Real proof from explosive atmosphères. You're standing outside a Class 1 Division 1 electrical panel in a refinery. Phone dying, standard thermal camera in your truck because one spark could blow the unit. So you're guessing, squinting at temperature strips, hoping that connection isn't the one about to fail. Your supervisor's asking for proof you don't have. Type guilty if this is your life right now. How many times have you walked away knowing something was wrong but couldn't prove it? That suffocating panic when you know a bearing's cooking but you can't scan it because your camera isn't rated for the hazardous zone. You're scheduling shutdowns you don't need or ignoring problems until they explode, literally. Your entire maintenance strategy is compromised by a certification you don't have. What if control was actually simple? What if seeing heat in explosive atmospheres didn't require a hot work permit and 3 safety meetings? Then I opened the FLIR Cx5 Hazardous Location Thermal Camera and everything got stupidly quiet. Don't just pick any thermal camera, make sure it has ATEX or IEC-EX Zone 1 and Class 1 Division 1 certification with built-in Wi-Fi and MSX technology so you never feel that sinking dread of walking blind through explosive atmospheres literally everyone is screaming about ever again. This thing scans classified areas legally, 160 by 120 native resolution enhanced with MSX overlays that stamp equipment labels, pipe numbers, and structural detail directly onto thermal images in real time. You see breaker IDs inside energized panels. You spot failing bearings on motors and methane zones. Measures minus 20 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius with intrinsically safe electronics that can't ignite flammable gas even if you drop it. One reliability engineer was 2:47 a.m. into a turnaround, client deadline in 3 hours, compressor vibration spiking, but he couldn't enter the classified area with standard gear. Grabbed the Cx5, scanned the bearing housing from inside the hazard zone, uploaded thermal proof to FLIR Ignite via Wi-Fi while still standing there, work order approved before sunrise. Here's the bonus nobody talks about. The integrated laser pointer lets you mark exactly which component you're measuring from 20 feet away in dense pipe racks. Here's the cascade. You save 4 hours per inspection by eliminating hot work permits because the Cx5 is certified for use in explosive atmospheres without gas-free procedures required. Those saved hours sharpen diagnostic clarity. You're scanning equipment live, not guessing from outside the fence line. Sharper clarity doubles performance. You catch failures weeks before they become emergencies or catastrophic incidents. Faster intervention creates results that shut safety meetings up permanently. One plant maintenance manager reported, "We identified 2 motor bearings and 1 MCC connection in Class 1 areas during the first month, findings that would have been impossible without certified gear access." A petrochemical reliability engineer said the Cx5 transformed thermal inspection from a special occasion event requiring extensive coordination into a daily use routine tool. Industry analysts confirm, Haslock-rated thermal cameras with modern connectivity represent a genuine safety and workflow breakthrough for explosive environment industries worldwide. At Maintenance Pro Joe posted, "This camera paid for itself after preventing 1 unplanned shutdown in a refinery alkylation unit." Which benefit blew your mind most? Comment 1 for Zone 1 access, 2 for Wi-Fi in hazardous areas, 3 for MSX clarity. Worried about the premium price versus standard cameras? One offshore platform safety manager said it eliminated $50,000 in hot work permit costs and gas-free procedures in 6 months, plus the incalculable value of preventing ignition incidents. Curious about real-world toughness? IP54 rated, intrinsically safe battery, drop tested for industrial abuse. Techs report daily use in refineries, chemical plants, and offshore rigs for years without failure. This is the one thing thousands message me about daily. Drop a comment if you've ever needed thermal proof but couldn't get certified access. Join the ones who quietly upgraded their entire maintenance strategy in explosive environments. Reliability engineers, offshore techs, refinery electricians who don't guess anymore. The FLIR Cx5 Hazardous Location Thermal Camera gives you ATEX or IEC-EX Zone 1 and Class 1 Division 1 access, Wi-Fi cloud integration, and MSX enhanced thermal imaging that works where standard cameras legally can't go. First link in description, I pinned it to the top because I'm not letting you miss this. Your facility's classified areas deserve real diagnostics, not guesswork and prayers. Go see what certified thermal vision actually changes today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.